gotta bring boots to the ground to better understand what's going on. Troopers of the Deep Space Vanguard are deploying arc scanners to see what's under the surface.
I was running up the cliff. And then I got stuck in a rock. Oh, fuck me.
I need to remember this is not Helldivers. I cannot dive.
Duck, dive, and dodge.
Listen up, troopers. This is an ARC mission. Establish a base, gas up the ARC, and activate it. Once it's done its part, head to the extraction point. Hire out.
Yes.
Or trying to call it an airstrike.
You can run while being crouched in this game. What's the purpose of that? Is there a stealth mode that they can handle?
It's funny you mentioned that. I said earlier we need a stealth mode where we can assassinate a tiger from behind. Karate chop.
It's an execution move, like
Yeah.
Assassin's Creed.
Hire out Global HQ is transmitting, and we have a fix on your location. ARC is en
They
route.
have like confetti, you know, that comes out of it.
Redstone 1, this is Vulture 1. Payload is loaded up and en route. Stay clear of the drop zone.
How is someone dead over there? Bria, I think our team's forked. We've got two randoms and now we've got
Payload has been delivered. Brimstone 1, have the arc. Vulture 1, returning to base.
Brimstone 1, this is Pyre. Let's start filling some canisters, people. Move out!
I guess I'm good for man.
Yeah.
Oh.
Beware you're not building the refinery. Just sit up
Very
there.
job description.
Yep, exactly.
Wait, we get
I don't
paid?
think you need enough.
You guys get paid? The fuck? Ambush.
Already?
Yep. Well, I saw. Oh, look, a lot.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Please help me. Yes, sorry. That meant, hey, there's a bug over there. It's on me.
I don't think this track over here has enough room for all.
What are you talking about? See, you guys are going to let me go there.
That makes me bored.
Me and Minister Britt are all getting thrown. You three having a camping trip with Smalls.
Fine, I'll come give you a canteen. Happy? We've got canteen.
I'm going to give that.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
I can't scan you.
See?
Be advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
Big blue.
They need a drone over there
Attention,
with their
elevated arachnid
invincible
threat levels
truck.
have been detected.
Yeah, gunners.
I don't know. Britt, maybe? Thank you.
Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
Four gunners.
Alright.
Death and emergency medical attention required. The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Trying to go here. You guys good? Stealing plates. Stop shooting minions. I was stuck there already.
Oh, is that gunner still there?
There's another one.
Damn it. I think.
Local man claimed he was helping, ended up shooting several people in the front. Smile.
Local Florida man.
I'm invincible.
Is it on cooldown now, Ed?
I think it was one.
No.
Okay.
Again.
I hate to be that guy, but those red bugs seem a lot different from the regular bugs. I don't want to be that guy, but
The base is under attack in the northern
I
quadrant.
think they're
Lovely
more.
though, don't they?
They are pretty, but they're meaner.
That's the mean girls. What's the mom over there by us? I don't have any.
The base is under attack in the northern
Genuinely
quadrant.
shooting me, man.
You then, Ed.
No, I thought you were shooting at me. I was like, huh? What did I
All I saw was the bull.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Behind you?
The base is under.
Be advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
I'm okay.
Vital signs critical.
You need me to come to you, Benson?
Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased.
Got you, got it.
Thank you.
Brett, Tiger, Bucket, Menace, Bucket.
Warning, arachnid threat has risen in severity.
Nice. Ooh, he's a kid.
Oh, big
Salvage these field power generators in this sector.
You can barely see him over the top of the hill.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Don't mind me, just stealing the cans.
Is there all boxes running in? There's room up there, yeah.
Gather me. I got a boo-boo.
It's spawning again. Get on my rocket.
No,
It's not safe where I found it.
rock smells.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
I hate drones, I hate drones, I hate drones.
Yes.
I jumped off a warrior's head. How did that work?
Oh, no, you can't.
Yeah. Like, I jumped like 6 feet in the air from
This is Pyre. Objective reading is complete. Well done, Brimstone 1.
I'm part Italian, I've heard.
Pyre to Brimstone 1. Orders are to gather and secure the resources in this region.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
A marshmallow. I can go for a marshmallow.
There's marshmallows.
Very on.
Yeah.
Alpha looks nice.
Well, the generator's on the other side of it.
Yeah.
Just do the gen. Just do the gen.
We really don't need that here, bud.
I don't think
We
I've
put it a wall back. It'd be better.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Where's it gonna protect? Come on. You know you don't wanna.
I feel like I'm in the Lion King with this rock over here. I have one that about
Somebody here.
God, that's scary. You guys good over there? You got it? I'll cover.
Vital signs critical. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Alright, I'll try and cover. Britt, hold on, I'm good. Hold on.
Pisses me off. This is hard.
Couldn't see anything. I got you. Ended up in a cliff. Can't see anything. There's no bloody faces to jump in.
Whee! Hold on, I got your boots on me.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended.
Nice. I bring
The
up.
base is under attack in the northern.
Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Okay, I'm out.
Good idea, Northwest.
Fuck this shit out now.
Warning, arachnid threat has risen in severity.
Yeah, Britt, sorry, you're the clever thing. Yeah. Run, Cyrus, run.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Medic just delivery. Like, I don't see what the issue is. Good.
Final signs, the base is under attack. Eastern quadrant.
I got 120 seconds. Can you let that alone?
No.
Warning.
I guess I know.
The Ark is under attack.
Sorry, but I'm sorry.
Thank you, Pow.
I got one of these feathers.
What the fuck is going on here?
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Warning. The Ark is under attack.
You get a big one coming, baby.
Watch your backs.
Be advised, Directed. Threat levels have risen.
30 seconds on this.
Ark is at 75% hull strength. The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Alright.
Guys, good?
We're good. We're good. Downey's dead and so is me. Where are you? Yes.
How much time you got?
15. This place sucks for jumping up like...
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Yeah, I got 30 seconds. Go. Good, go.
Oh yeah.
Shit, so...
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
Oh my god.
The base is under.
Attention, elevated Arachnid threat levels have been detected.
Oh, this tank bear covered.
Okay, second guess, I'm looking it back to base now.
Be advised, Arachnid threat levels have risen.
I do have gas over on my page.
I'm okay, my dreams got me.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Big blue there.
Wait, tiger.
Warning. The Ark is under attack.
Bob, you got it, bud?
Okay, good.
Warning. The Ark is under attack.
The ones on the Ark's cleared now, more or less.
The base is under attack. Ark is at 75% health strength.
Ark's getting less.
Warning. The Ark is under attack. Warning. The Ark is under attack.
Alright, let's wait till I'm brother.
Yeah.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Alright. No, no, it's okay. I'm gonna shoot anyone up.
No, I'm back here.
Fleet signal booster has been set. Secure the location around the booster.
Alright. I got the terminal back. Ambush.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Oh, fuck off. You're in the fucking gas.
Do we have an ammo
Death imminent. Emergency medical attention required.
It's like they're in the gas. It's like nobody can get slowed down. Game doesn't work too much. Alright, I roll.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Do you want me to run this one back?
You do we want some?
it is.
So we just need 2 more gas.
Be advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
Oh no.
Oh, there's a big blue.
Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
No, we haven't got. We've only got 1. Do we want more?
Warning.
We need
Arachnid
more,
threat has risen in severity.
We need more ore because someone kept destroying stuff and building it farther out. I need like 4,000 tops.
No, it's farther away.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Oh my god.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
Do we need any more gas?
More.
1? Or
No,
2?
we have it.
Oh, no, okay, let's go then.
Extermination north of base. Be careful.
I see a gunner.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
We've got enough gas, so go back to base.
Yep, need more of that blue stuff.
I'm trying to control.
Please do not close the doors.
Oh, there is a blue canister over here.
2 gunners to the north.
Careful, Phantom, there's a gun sworn over there.
Don't build that there. Do not build that there.
Please stop wasting ore. I'm building. Vicky is building.
Bloody wall. Wow.
Somebody's burning. You know what, Britt?
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Attention! Elevated arachnid threat levels have been detected.
The arc is under attack.
The guy down there.
Where is this Inferno? Oh, over there.
Take this, I'm gonna rock this. I need 1 more rocket on it.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant. Emergency medical attention required.
I'm going for 1 outside of Stu.
The base is
What the
under attack in the southern quadrant.
Oh!
Well, apparently he was being salty because you got rockets.
Who got rid of the door on the north? Don't get rid of the door.
Alright, 1 more cam's gone in. We've got 6. Do we need more?
Yeah, we're gonna need at least 2,000, or at least 1,000 more.
Okay, I'll put another 1 in and then I'll
I
go.
reckon he's deconstructing the base, guys.
Okay,
We're fine.
yes.
So this oil problem cooldown should be going to Alpha.
I have reported them. I just down
Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen.
Ambush right behind the base.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Oh, we have, yeah. Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, don't take your visual.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Be advised that Arakon is being the cancer, don't bother reviving him. He's destroying the emplacements.
Person down over there, who's
The
down?
base is under
Enemy arachnid control detected. Eliminate it to reduce arachnid
Do not
threat
revive the
levels in
person on
your
the
area.
southeast.
Alright, is that you? 7 seconds?
I'm the guy who's near the refinery.
Be
Gotcha.
advised, arachnid threat levels have
Yeah,
risen.
get your thumbs.
Yep, thank you.
Oh, he's not spawning. He must be getting salty. He must be ready to tie something up.
Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Oh my god, man. What
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
faster than you. Why?
It's a rush.
No, there's
Lead signal booster has been set. Secure the location around the booster.
Okay, stop people, everybody stop dancing. Come to the
I'm right behind. I can see your voicemail today. Stop dancing in front of the fucking game.
on everybody, not the fucking light.
I'm watching the troll, don't worry.
killed enough people.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
How's it going, Carla? You all cool now? Ready to wear 10,000 on road.
I'm trying to get some more.
Mom, that tape came in to go. You didn't need any more.
I'm cooking a second on Alpha.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
When I bring it up to, do you want it
The
going
arc
in?
is under attack.
Yeah, I've got both orphans, so I'm bringing them back.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Right, I'm going to put them both in.
On for B.
Copy.
Should I put both or just one?
That's the guy you gotta watch.
I can't put both.
Are we starting it or do we need
Be
more?
advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
I'll cover yours. Tiger,
Warning,
watch out.
arachnid threat has risen in severity.
The greatest one as well.
Attention, elevated arachnid threat levels have been
To
detected.
the southwest.
Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen.
Keep trying it, they ain't gonna.
This is Fire. Build tools out on the double, Brimstone 1. You have incoming arachnid threats with no time to lose. Move it.
Warning. Vital signs
What's
critical.
dead? Don't revive the guy behind
That's
Ricky. Do not revive the guy behind Ricky. Don't revive that one. Let him bleed. Let him bleed like the bitch like
The
he
base
is.
is under attack in the northern quadrant.
The repeat.
They're not there.
No, revive. There's northeast. Revive him because there's northeast.
Northeast next to the real.
I cannot see anything.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Somebody close the door. Somebody close the gate.
Vital signs equipment.
Just beware, guys, in the refinery, there's 40 seconds, gas has been put in, get back to base if you can.
You are on fire now.
Thank you, Menace.
Arc is going to activate in 30 seconds.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Try again.
10 seconds left before the arc activates.
If you know, please report Eric on for trolling behavior. He's now shutting the doors and still trying to deconstruct them.
Where are you? I see
Sonar
you going
output
to
good.
hold
Arc is green across the board. Expect a lot of bug resistance. Defend yourselves.
Gotcha.
Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen.
Need ammo if he's good.
I need ammo. Shit.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Oh shit, big tiger.
They're everywhere.
Ah, sorry,
Oh my God, it's a trap. It's a trap.
Thank you. Thank you. Inferno, northeast.
The arc is under attack. The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Do not revive that man.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Rearm.
Arc is at 25% complete.
Inferno, east side, far distance.
Yeah, he's outside of range.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Tiger east as well.
Need me to use a drone?
Death imminent. Emergency medical attention required. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Vanny, how do you feel about next position?
Scared tiger there.
Incoming.
Another scary tiger.
Warning. Vital signs. The arc is under attack. Vital signs critical. Death imminent. Emergency medical attention.
Data collection is reading at 50%. Keep that arc standing, Brimstone 1.
Warning. The arc is under attack.
Reloading.
Trying to take out his defense if he can. Keep popping up.
I know, I'm going to be the arm to go out. But I'm going to
try and get you.
off the launcher. Oh, no, Edmund's here. Eddie!
I'm jumping.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant. Warning, vital signs critical.
First anyone got one?
I must say thanks for the person who is painting all the box red. It helps a lot. That's a good job.
Yep, scan beacons are good.
Right, we're going to now. Hold all them gunners.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
My help.
Arc is at 75%. We're almost there, Brimstone 1.
Right, big blues and down as ahead. More show.
The base is under attack
Okay,
in the
Ricky,
northern
hold on.
quadrant.
Alright, nice.
Thank you.
Oh god, no MR.
Guys closing again.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Oh, yeah.
Guy down south, he's up. Shot me. Why didn't you shit?
99, get your
Well done,
MR.
troopers. We got what we needed. Drop what you're doing and head to the extraction point.
Down southeast.
All received. Vulture 1 inbound for pickup.
Oh, big point is right there. North.
This is Vulture
Dropship
1.
southwest.
Move the designated LZ. On the bounce.
Oh, it's right here. Right. You ready to run?
Yep. I got it. Anyone at me? Yeah, it was Jason.
Are we going?
Yes.
Run.
I've got a train on
Let's go
the
together.
Yeah, the trapper is doing really good.
Gonna throw a grenade while just to take it out.
Yeah, there's a guy going west of cover. Nice.
Keep moving, I got that.
Oh, the ammo's all gone already. What?
Can't stop me yet, right?
It's not coming in. You might have this.
Yeah.
Shoot them from there. Oh, look, there's ammo. There's
Refiner's about to go.
26 inches.
Nice. Why, man, you go for a medal? Oh, wait.
I just want to keep my best record 53. I don't think I'm not that high, actually. It depends when the maps you get. Yeah. I had 55 a couple of weeks back, but the map went on for about forever. Oh yeah, I done the huge fight around 1 hour and 20
Guess that one is crashed. Anybody bothered him?
Let's go.
10 seconds. Don't get transmission.
Bonus points. This is my level 100 game.
Congrats.
Congrats.
Good job.
Yeah, very good.
Back 'em in, troopers, all the way to the back. We are en route back to the Gurren.
The flying bugs.
Defecate.
And it has like a personal engine and it's flying.
They are
up in the air.
ascending.
New.
You will, they'll suffocate.